What's going on, guys? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today we are in the Mustang. I don't have AC and it's really hot, like 100 degrees, so I drive with the windows down and I can't really hear the music. Well, I really could just fix my AC and fine sounding music. You know, I still want a little bit more bass, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the sub box in here. I measured it. It's a 34 by 16 and a half by like 13 and a half or something like that box. I don't know, weird dimensions, but pretty much they won't fit through the back of the trunk. Let me show you. We tried fitting them through here. If you know Mustang, this is completely tiny, it won't fit in there. And here's the subs. Pretty much I'm gonna try to put it in through the inside and it will fit through this gap right here if I can take this stuff off up here. So this is just 3 8mm bolts. Take those off, and that revealed that there is 2 10mm bolts up here, and that looks like what's holding the metal plate on. So we're gonna go ahead and take off this metal thing. The seats are actually connected to this piece, so I'm taking the seats out now. So I put these up, and really it's super simple. There's these little 2 buttons below the seats. I don't know if you guys can see that one, but pretty much you're supposed to press them, but I just wiggle the seat a little bit and they come undone. Mine are just old, but I'm going to go ahead and take this out. So to get the back seat off, there's a 10mm bolt right here, and there's another one on the other side, but you go ahead and take that off. So we got the box. It actually, look at that fitment in there. I don't know what the last owner did to this vehicle, but here we have a ground connection that is rusted and stripped out, so he just ripped it in half and pulled it off. There's a couple random bolts down here as well. This is all dented up. I don't know what happened up here. This is bent too, but we're gonna go ahead and fix that once we get this in. But if you look at that fitment, it barely fits in there. I mean, we actually haven't got it turned in here yet, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. I have Colton push from the back, but here we have the front in there. Oh yeah, it actually fits perfect. Slide it forward, and the subs are above it as well.
That's gonna get you pulled over with loud ass cars and creatures.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wire up the amp, make sure everything works, and I'm gonna throw the seat back in there. All right, guys, so I just got the back seat put back together. I got the amp all wired up. Everything works as it should. It sounds great. Another thing I didn't say before is that the carpet on the sub box matches the carpet in the car pretty good. As you can see that it barely fits, so you have to take apart the back seat and take the back seat out to be able to fit a sub box in here. At least a sub box that is this size. That's going to be it for today. If you guys would like to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and leave a like and comment down below what you would want to see. In a future video, I will be uploading a video of me installing the mock tweeters and like the amplifier and everything from the wrecked Mustang over there. I'm gonna have to figure out how to wire it, so if anybody knows how to wire that system in, go ahead and leave a comment down below. But that's going to be it for today, folks. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. So thank you.